Thunderstorm safety. Hey! Gotcha! Ouch! It's thundering! Let's go home now! All right. Whoa! Another dragonfly! This is the last one! Hey! Hey! I'm gonna catch you! Hey! Wait for me, little giraffe! Ouch! Little giraffe! Little giraffe! Where are you?
Have a nice day. It's so windy. That was perfect. Ow!
Little flying squirrel.
Sheriff Labrador, please find little giraffe.
What happened?
It's thundering, and he's still in the park catching dragonflies.
What? That's so dangerous. Wait here in the store. We'll go find him right now. This way.
Little giraffe!
Little giraffe!
Little giraffe! Where are you?
Huh? Huh? Watch out, Dobie! Hey!
Huh? That's so scary!
Never go near power poles during a thunderstorm.
Now you can't run away! Hey! It's so scary!
Oh no! It's raining again! We need to find little giraffe now!
Little giraffe! Little giraffe! A bug net? It's little giraffes. Sheriff Labrador! Little giraffe must be close by! Feels like I'm bitten by ants!
Oh no! Let go of the bug net!
Ouch!
Bug nets are made out of metal, so they're easily electrified. There's a lot of metal here in the playground. Let's get out of here! This way!
Help!
It's little giraffe!
He's in danger! Let's go! Little giraffe! Don't hide under the tree! Watch out! We shouldn't stay under the tree! Let's go!
I'll call Pascal for support!
Stop! Making phone calls during a thunderstorm can attract lightning!
Is it that dangerous? Then what do we do?
Let's go to a low-lying area. Lightning won't strike easily there. Yeah! This way! That way! Let's go to a safe place now!
Little giraffe, I was so worried about you. I'll never play outside during a thunderstorm again.
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, when there's a thunderstorm, you should stay indoors or inside a car. If you happen to be outside, don't stand under a tree or next to a building wall. Avoid power poles and power lines. Also, don't make phone calls or touch electronic devices. And don't touch anything metal, or you might get electrified. Please remember these tips.
Woof!
Police chasing the big bad wolf. Let's go! Sister, it's so foggy. I think we should go home. No, I want to keep riding. Sister, wait! Phew.
Ha! Nobody can see what I'm doing. I love foggy days.
I'm so sorry. It's Wolf!
Stop right there!
Help me! Sister! 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 Somebody help!
Little monkey, what's going on?
Sheriff Labrador! Somebody took my sister!
Huh? Which way did they go?
That way!
Don't worry. Let's go. Oh, the road splits here.
Sister, where are you?
Watch out!
Stop!
What was that? What was that?
And what's that?
And what's that? Oh,
Are you guys okay?
we're fine. I can't see well on foggy days. I can't see well. I saw Wolf riding a little bike with a child behind him. It looked very dangerous. It looked very dangerous. We shouldn't have come out on a day like this. Right. We shouldn't have come out.
Wait, did you say you saw Wolf?
Yes, over there.
Let's go.
Uh-huh. Let's go, Big Wolf. Let's go, Big Wolf. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Be quiet. The police mustn't hear you.
Hey, Wolf! Stop right there.
Oh, no! The police!
Stop! Hey!
Oh no! Stop!
Wolf!
Hey! It's downhill!
Stop! There's a cliff up ahead! Look forward!
That's a lie! Hey, Wolf! Nobody can run away from me!
Help! Help! Somebody help me! I hate foggy days!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, it's hard to see ahead of you on foggy days. That means traffic accidents can happen easily. Also, it's usually dusty on foggy days. Please stay indoors on foggy days for your safety and your health. Please remember these tips.
Don't damage public facilities. Dig, dig, dig for treasure. Hey-o, hey-o, where is it? Hey-o, hey-o, where is it? Huh? Another water pipe. Are you sure there's treasure here? Of course. Look at the map. The treasure is buried right here. Wow! Let's hurry up. Uh-huh. Hey, ouch! Ouch! Wow! It's the treasure! We found it! Oh no! Another water pipe! Ah! Ah! Ow! Oh, where is Big Brother? Ah! Brother! Brother! Help me! Let's go find Sheriff
Watch out!
Watch out! Oh no! Something's wrong! Papillon, go find where the water's coming from.
Got it!
Gobi, let's set up a police line. People need to stay away. Phew.
Sheriff Labrador, I found it!
Oh?
It's because of a broken underground water pipe. I closed the floodgate.
Well done.
Sheriff Labrador! Our big brother was swept away by the water!
What? Lead the way now!
It's right down there!
Let's go take a look.
Hey? This is the shovel we used to dig for treasure.
Dig for treasure?
Uh-huh. While we were digging, the water suddenly poured out and swept my brother away.
So it was the Marmot brothers who broke the water pipe. This is a public place. You can't dig holes and break water pipes here.
Sorry, we'll never do that again.
There's a tunnel here!
Huh? You guys go to a safe place now. Brother Marmot would have been swept away from here. Let's go.
Where am I? So many bugs! Help!
Brother Marmot!
I heard something over here. It's just a bug. There are so many! Haha! I scared them away!
What's that sound? Huh? Run!
It's Brother Marmot!
Come on, Papillon! Come on up, Dobie! Hold on to that ladder!
Hey!
Dobie!
Watch me! Activate speed mode! I'll never dig holes near water pipes again!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, water pipes are public facilities for everyone. If they break, it will not only waste water resources, but it'll also be very inconvenient for us all, even endangering our lives. So please don't harm public facilities and always take good care of them. Please remember that.
Woof! Dangerous friends! We got it! Run!
Stop right there!
Hey, follow me!
Oh no!
Bye-bye!
You bad thieves! Go! Oh!
Huh? Mr. Bear, what's going on?
Sheriff Labrador, some kids have been stealing candy from my shop. Help me, please!
Huh? Don't worry, leave it to us.
How much did you get? Seriously? Is this all you got? Shall we go back for more? Mr. Bear knows who we are now. We can't. Then what should we do? We need to find someone to help us. That's my toy! I think I found one. Ouch! Hey, give it back to little koala. Okay. Here's your toy. Wow, thanks. Little koala, why don't we be friends? Friends? Yes, if we are, when someone takes away your toy, we can protect you. Sounds great. I'll be safe then. From now on, we're friends. Come on, friend. Let's go have some fun. Uh-huh. By the way, can you pretend to have a stomachache? A stomachache? Like this? Ow, ow, ow! Wow! You did it so well! When you see Mr. Bear in the shop, keep acting like you have a stomachache. Why? To fool him, of course. No. We're gonna play a game. Huh? We're friends. We won't lie to you. Come on, go inside. Wow.
Dobie, watch out! Someone's coming in.
Leave it to me.
Hi,
Hi, kid. Feel free to look around and choose what you want.
Ow, ow, ow! Ow! It hurts! Ow! Ow!
Are you all right?
They fell for it! Hurry!
Where does it hurt?
My tummy!
Huh?
Ow!
I'll take you to the hospital.
Oh, no, I don't want to go!
Don't worry, it's okay.
No, I won't go!
Huh? What's that sound? Hey, what are you doing here?
There's nothing wrong! I don't want to go! Huh? Is that a new game? Wait!
They stole the candy! Let's go!
Yay! Good job, little koala! You helped us steal a lot of candy! What? You stole candy?
Stop right there!
Police! Hurry!
Hey! Stealing things is against the law!
You can't run away.
He stole the candy! We have nothing to do with it! It's not me!
Watch out!
It really isn't me!
Stop right there!
You're coming with us!
We will never steal things again! And I'll never make bad friends again!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk! Kids, be careful when you make friends. You should never make friends with bad people. Bad friends might teach you bad habits, use bad words, or do bad things. If your friend asks you to do something bad, please say no and tell adults such as your teacher, parents, or a police officer. Please remember that.
Woof!
Don't play with ants! The excavator's here to dig! Huh? The bucket is moving! Oh, it is moving too! Why is everything moving around? Oh, my bread! Huh? Ouch! It hurts! Brother, what's wrong? My arm, it hurts!
Woof! Hi, I'm Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador! Please help us! My brother got bitten by his bread!
What? Bitten by his bread? We'll be right there.
All the toys and snacks just moved by themselves! And then the bread bit my brother's arm!
Little chick, where did you get hurt?
Here! It hurts so much!
So it's true.
Bread can run and bite people? Stop! Huh? It's just plain bread.
Watch out for the ant!
Huh?
Looks like little chick got bitten by an ant like this. It looks venomous. We need to take him to the hospital.
Whoa! Don't bite me, ant!
Brother Chick!
Phew, it went away.
Huh? So many anthills!
And here too.
So many ants!
Oh no! Run!
They're coming.
Stop chasing us!
Go up!
You can't catch us now. They're still following us.
Hurry! Come on!
Now you can't follow us, huh? Whoa! Seriously? I can't believe it! Ah! They're here! Run! Sheriff Labrador, what do we do now?
I'm calling Papillon for support!
Huh? What's this? Ew! It stinks!
Papillon, we're being chased by ants! We need your help!
Ants? Oh, I know what to do! I'll be right there!
This way!
Now you can't get us. Uh-oh, we're getting shorter.
Oh no! They're all around us!
It's trying to bite my bottom! Papillon always has a way! Stink bomb!
Aren't those my socks?
It stinks!
Phew, we're finally safe.
Papillon, to the hospital! Little Chick needs to be treated!
Got it!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk! Kids, you shouldn't touch ants or get too close to their hills. Some ants are venomous, and if you get bitten by them, it can swell up and even endanger your life. Please remember that.
Woof! Earthquake evacuation!
Finally got it.
Sir, this is for you!
What's going on?
Oh no! It's an earthquake! Make sure everyone's safe!
Got it!
Run!
Stop! Stay calm, everyone. Cover your head and find a safe place to hide.
Little dog!
Hurry! Under the table! Hold on tight!
Watch me! Hide near pillars, in corners, and under counters.
Stay away from the windows. They could collapse. Restrooms are good places to hide because they're small and sturdy. Then I'll just stay here.
Huh? Did it stop?
There could be aftershocks. Let's evacuate through an emergency exit now.
Line up and don't push others.
This way! The elevator! It will be faster! Hurry, hurry! It's here!
Oh, stop! Elevators can break down at any time, so we need to use an emergency exit.
I got it! My That was so scary. It really was. Thank you for getting me out. Oh, you're little Chick. Yes, I'm little Chick. Oh, where's my little dog? Little dog! Little dog!
Ms. Duck, what's going on?
My little duck is missing!
What?
He might still be in the building. Papillon, stay here and keep everyone safe.
Got it!
Dobie, come with me. Let's go up through the emergency exit. Huh? Little Duck's footprints. Dobie, this way. Hey! Little Duck! Little Duck! Huh? Are you okay, Dobie?
I'm fine. Ow!
Huh?
It's Little Duck.
Come out, please!
Just leave it! Watch out! It's an aftershock! Hide now!
Oh no! They're in danger!
It stopped! Let's get out of here! Watch out! Let's go!
Oh no!
Papillon!
Hurry Oh, sweetie! Grandma! Sweetie, I'm so glad that you're safe.
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, if an earthquake happens when you're in a mall, bookstore, or exhibition hall, don't panic. Stay calm. If you're far from an emergency exit, hide in a safe place nearby. Hide under sturdy counters or furniture, or crouch down near a pillar or in the corner of a wall, covering your head. Stay away from windows, shelves, billboards, and hanging lamps. They might easily collapse or fall down. Wait until the shaking stops, then evacuate the building through the emergency exits.
Never take an elevator or an escalator.
And leave your belongings.
Woof!
Little koala is missing.
Little duck? Little rabbit? Little koala? Little koala? Where is little koala?
It's so hot.
Dobie, you'll feel cooler if you just relax. Woof! Hi, I'm Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador, this is Miss Sheep at the preschool. My student little koala is missing. Please help.
Don't worry, we'll be right there.
It's so hot.
Miss Sheep, when did you find out that little koala is missing?
I found it out when I was counting the children coming off the school bus. What do I do?
I see. Kids, did you see little koala taking the school bus?
Yes, I did. Little koala always sleeps on the bus.
Then he might still be on the bus. Where's the bus now?
It usually goes to the school bus parking lot after dropping off all the children. Do you think he's there?
We'll go look for him. Don't worry, there's no case that I can't solve. Here's the school bus parking lot.
The driver, Mr. Yak, might be around here. Found him! Mr. Yak! Mr. Yak!
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. You've got the wrong person here. I'm Buffalo. Mr. Yak's hair is much longer than mine. Sometimes I wonder if he can actually see when he's driving.
Well, do you know where Mr. Yak is right now?
No, I don't. His bus is not here.
This is the driver's schedule. This is the logo of the Golden Scissors Hair Salon. Mr. Yak is probably getting his hair cut there. Let's go!
It's so hot. Where am I? I can't get out. Help! Somebody help me!
It's little koala! He's stuck inside the bus! Oh no! He has fainted! We need to go save him right now!
Oh no! We are stuck! We need to run! Let's go! Little koala! Call the ambulance now! Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Drivers and parents should be careful not to leave children alone in the car. Especially in the summer, the temperature inside the car can get very high, so children's lives might be in danger. Also, children should always remember to get off the bus at the right stop. If you ever get stuck in a car, try to go to the driver's seat and unlock the doors, or honk the horn to get people's attention. Please remember these tips. Woof!
Don't eat dirty food. Oh. Wow. Mr. Fox, I want one.
All right, just a moment. Here you are.
What's this? Mr. Fox, what's this black thing?
It's just chocolate. You seem to really like my salad. I'll give you another one.
Thanks! Ow! My tummy hurts! Ow! Where's the restroom? Why are there so many people here? Ow! My tummy! Ow!
Uh-oh, they don't look well.
My tummy! Sheriff Labrador, all these people got food poisoning.
Huh?
Something's wrong.
Huh? Food poisoning? Dobie, please find out what they ate today. Hey, kid. How are you feeling?
I've got the runs 3 times.
Do you remember what you ate today?
I had ice cream, fruit salad, and a cake. Oh no! I need to go again!
Sir, here's the report. They all had ice cream, cake, and fruit salad.
Let's go investigate these shops.
It's not me. My cake shop has been here for 100 years. Such a thing has never happened since my grandfather's grandfather was here.
Not me. I'm sure that nothing's wrong with my yummy ice cream. Look, my ice cream's fine.
What? Are you suspecting me? My shop is really clean. Every fruit salad is carefully selected by myself. And prepared by myself. Wow! I love fruit salad. I'd like to have one, please. Great choice. I don't think there is any problem with those shops.
Don't eat it! I smelled rotten fruit in Mr. Fox's salad shop. He must be hiding something.
What? Isn't that Mr. Fox? What is he doing there?
Let's go follow him.
Rotten fruit is everywhere. Those police officers believed what I said. I don't care about rotten fruit. I'm not eating them anyway.
Mr. Fox, it was you who made people sick.
Ah! Police!
Come with us to the police station.
I'm gonna run! Ouch! See you later!
You can have it
Oh, it's so disgusting!
You don't want to eat rotten fruit, do you?
You're so bad! You are going to the police station with us! Ow! My tummy! Please take me to the hospital first!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, check your food before eating. If it looks dirty or rotten, or it's past its expiration date, you shouldn't eat it. Rotten food can cause stomachache and even food poisoning. Please keep these in mind.
Woof!